Hey there, fellow content creators and aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you. A game-changing strategy that could help you earn a whopping $100 a day. Yes, you heard it right. We're diving into the world of Chat GPT and how you can harness its power to boost your income. So, grab your notepads, because we're about to unveil how to use Chat GPT to earn $100 a day. Establishing the opportunity. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why Chat GPT is an incredible opportunity for you. In today's digital age, online content and communication are more important than ever. Imagine being able to generate engaging blog posts, social media captions, or even personalized messages without spending hours in front of your keyboard. With Chat GPT, you can do just that, and more. Introducing Chat GPT. So, what exactly is Chat GPT? In a nutshell, it's an AI-powered language model developed by OpenAI. It's like having your own virtual assistant that can help you draft content, answer questions, and even come up with creative ideas, all in a matter of seconds. It's as simple as typing in your query and receiving high-quality, human-like responses. Let's take a look at how it works. Demonstration. Alright, here's the Chat GPT interface. You just type in your prompt, whether it's a blog post introduction, a product description, or a catchy headline, and let Chat GPT work its magic. Let's say you're a fashion influencer. You can ask Chat GPT to create a captivating Instagram caption for your latest outfit post. Voila! Instantly, you get a slew of amazing options to choose from. It's like having a professional wordsmith at your fingertips. Unleashing your creativity. But wait, there's more. Chat GPT isn't just limited to preset prompts. You can get creative and brainstorm with it too. Stuck on a plot twist for your next novel? Just bounce ideas off Chat GPT. Need a catchy jingle for your YouTube intro? Chat GPT has your back. The possibilities are endless, and that's where the money-making potential comes into play. Monetization strategies. Now, let's talk dollars and cents. How can you turn Chat GPT into a money-making machine? One approach is offering content creation services to businesses or individuals. Imagine becoming a go-to copywriter, churning out engaging articles, social media content, and more, all with ChatGPT's assistance. Plus, you can free up time for other ventures or simply enjoy more leisure. Building a client base. Building a client base may sound intimidating, but remember, quality speaks for itself. Start by showcasing the incredible content you can produce using Chat GPT. Create a portfolio that highlights various niches, from tech to travel, fashion to food. Share before and after examples to demonstrate the transformative power of Chat GPT. Soon enough, clients will be knocking on your virtual door. Scaling your earnings. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates. Starting at a reasonable price point will attract more clients initially. But as demand grows, so can your earnings. With just a handful of clients, you could easily be raking in $100 a day, or even more. Call to action. So, there you have it, fellow content creators and future entrepreneurs. The secret to potentially earning $100 a day using Chat GPT. The digital landscape is evolving, and those who adapt and embrace new technologies like Chat GPT will undoubtedly come out on top. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to enhance your content creation game and boost your income. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting tips, tricks, and strategies. Remember, your creativity combined with ChatGPT's power can lead to amazing possibilities. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating and keep thriving. Thank you all for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow creators. Also, let us know in the comments how you plan to use Chat GPT to level up your content game. Until next time, stay inspired and stay productive. Take care.